Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Jordan with Premier Auto Lounge, and in front of me I have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe with Alpine white over black Napa leather interior. I'm very excited to get into this one as this is a very extremely clean version of the C63. Service records in hand, $5,000 of recent service records in hand, and this car is quite the spec, a lot of car for the money, and low miles. This is a 2-owner, no accident, clean Florida title. This vehicle is maintained extremely well through Mercedes-Benz. As I mentioned, we do have some service records in hand. This has the panoramic sunroof, massive 19-inch wheels, all new Continental tires, brakes have been done, diff service has been done, trans service has been done. This car is extremely well maintained and was traded into us by a local friend here in the Tampa Bay area. Now, this has no weird stories, no weird history. This car truly is a nice spec. Seats are in fantastic condition. These bolsters hug you like crazy. It does have the titanium looking carbon on the interior and of course the IWC clock as you find in all of the AMG models. This is a 2-door coupe, not the S version, so this does have 476 foot-pound of torque, 464 horsepower. And this car does have the AMG exhaust, 2 keys, and this car is extremely well maintained and well conditioned. This car does 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. As I mentioned, we do have all the service records as well, and we are Premier Auto Lounge, a luxury car dealer in Clearwater, Florida, always bringing the best specs and the really good prices. Now, to get into a couple nice features on this vehicle, one of my favorites is if you're carrying a bunch of stuff in your hands, you need to open the trunk. You go ahead and swing your foot under the trunk, and the trunk will pop up. Extremely intelligent job by Mercedes-Benz. I love that they do that. Go ahead and close it with this button right here. Nice side fenders. The coupes always look extremely aggressive from the front and the back. And as we go ahead and open this here, beautiful cockpit and comfortable for the driver and passenger. This also is the V8 bi-turbo, as it says there on the side. Now, this is the 2019, so it does have the upgraded technology, upgraded LED front, upgraded sound system by Burmeister, and it does have the buttons on the steering wheel, which can do all your performance and AMG modes, which I will show you here in a moment. Now, as we get into the cockpit, we're going to go ahead and fire up this car. This vehicle was just serviced, as I mentioned. It only has 40,500 miles on it. There is your IWC clock. Beautiful titanium carbon sitting here as well. One small flaw is this is cracked here a little bit on your touchpad, and you do have one small chip in your windshield. Now, to go ahead and put it into sport, you can go like this. You can change all of your modes here, your suspension, your exhaust, and let's go ahead and give it a little rev. It does have some nice pops and burbles as well, and this does come with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Love the flat bottom steering wheel. You have leather with suede on the side and high-end Burmeister sound system, full panoramic sunroof. Back seats are untouched, and the Burmeister speaker systems sound incredible in this car as well. Seats are in great shape, no wear on the bolsters, no scratches, rips, or tears. As I mentioned, upgraded tech, upgraded LED front headlights as well. I wanted to thank you for watching. You can find us on all social platforms: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Google My Business, and Facebook. We have all beautiful spec cars. We specialize in Mercedes and BMW. If you have any questions or would like us to FaceTime you and show you the car in more depth, we'd love to. And if you have any questions, feel free to DM or send us a call, text, or a message. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Feel free to stick around for a quick driving video of the C63 AMG. All right, we are in the cockpit of the C63. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. It automatically starts in comfort mode. So you can always change all your dynamics here with your AMG systems, but I love that Mercedes-Benz put everything right here in the 2019s. This is an upgraded package to have, though. So you're going to go ahead and put this into Sport Plus. The exhaust note is already on. As you can see, no codes, no engine light, no issues. This car has already been fully inspected and PPI'd as well. put it into drive, you want to put your foot on the brake, pull all the way down on this knob here, and we'll go ahead and get right into it. The AMGs are always very torquey, even from low RPMs, which is what I love about Mercedes-Benz. I feel BMW does a little bit better on the handling, but Mercedes is truly luxurious. They sound incredible. And once you find one that's, a high MSRP that's been depreciated nicely, they do hold pretty good value.